Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets experience. If you're passionate about powerful gadgets and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting handheld gaming devices of the year, the Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2. Lenovo claims this handheld delivers desktop-level performance in a portable body, and after spending time with it, that claim might actually hold up. Here's a quick question to start. What if your gaming handheld could handle Cyberpunk 2077 at high settings, stay cool, and still feel premium in your hands? Stick around, because the Legion Go Gen 2 might be the portable powerhouse you've been waiting for. Let's talk specs first, because this machine is loaded. The Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2 comes powered by AMD's latest Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor, built on the Zen 5 architecture with RDNA 3 Plus integrated graphics. You get up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, offering ultra-fast and stable connections for cloud gaming or wireless accessories. In short, this is not just a handheld console, it's a portable PC with serious muscle. Compared to the first generation, performance has taken a big leap forward. You'll notice smoother gameplay, quicker boot times, and much better thermal management. Lenovo's tuning this time feels more mature, less heat, more stability, and a gaming experience that feels effortless even in demanding titles. Now moving to the design and build quality. Lenovo has kept the futuristic, industrial look that made the first Legion Go stand out, but with smarter refinements. The magnesium-aluminum alloy chassis feels premium, sturdy, and surprisingly lightweight for its size at around 800 grams. The detachable TrueStrike controllers are still one of the device's best features, now upgraded with Hall effect joysticks, which means no more stick drift ever. The texture is grippier, and the buttons have a cleaner, more tactile response. Even the kickstand has been redesigned, it's wider, firmer, and holds steady during intense gaming sessions. It feels like Lenovo listened to every criticism of the original model and addressed them directly. The attention to ergonomics is clear. This thing feels natural whether you're holding it for hours or docked on a desk with an external monitor. Now, the display, one of the biggest highlights of the Legion Go Gen 2. You're getting an 8.8-inch QHD plus IPS touchscreen with a 144 Hz refresh rate. It now reaches up to 650 nits of brightness, supports HDR10, and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. It's sharp, colorful, and fluid, perfect for fast-paced games or just Netflix marathons. The adaptive refresh rate helps conserve battery when you're not gaming, which is a smart addition. Imagine playing Forza Horizon 5 at 144 Hz, smooth as silk, with bright colors and zero lag. That's the kind of experience this display delivers. It's easily one of the best screens you'll find on any handheld gaming device today. Performance-wise, Lenovo absolutely nailed it. The Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor delivers a significant bump in FPS across titles compared to the first-gen Legion Go and even edges out competitors like the Asus ROG Ally in several benchmarks. Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Apex Legends, all run exceptionally well at 1080p with medium to high settings. The new dual-fan cooling system is whisper quiet and keeps the device cool even under long gaming sessions. No throttling, no frame drops, just consistent power. And if you're not gaming, this handheld doubles as a compact workstation. Editing 4K videos, working in Photoshop, or running productivity apps feels smooth. It's not just for gaming, it's for creators too. Lenovo's software, Legion Space, has also been redesigned. It's now cleaner, faster, and easier to navigate. You can customize controller layouts, tweak performance modes, or access your entire game library in seconds. A new quick resume feature lets you pause and switch between multiple games seamlessly, just like on an Xbox. Battery life is always a concern with handhelds, and Lenovo tried to strike a better balance this time. The 49.2 Wh battery offers around 2.5 to 3 hours of heavy gaming, and up to 6 hours for lighter use or streaming. That's a small improvement, but what makes the difference is the 65W Super Rapid Charge. It gets you from 0 to 70% in just about 30 minutes. There's also a new ECO mode, which dynamically adjusts CPU and GPU power to extend battery life without a huge performance hit. Now let's talk about gaming feel, because specs are one thing, but experience is everything. The upgraded Hall effect joysticks, precise triggers, and improved gyro aiming make every title more responsive. You'll instantly notice the better control accuracy, especially in first-person shooters or racing games. Lenovo clearly focused on tactile precision, and it shows. The speakers also deserve some credit. Lenovo equipped the Legion Go Gen 2 with dual front-firing speakers powered by Nahimic 3D audio. They're louder, clearer, and more immersive than before, with distinct channel separation that enhances gameplay immersion. Pair it with good Bluetooth earbuds, and the low-latency sound completes the experience beautifully. For connectivity, Lenovo didn't cut any corners. Dual USB-C 4.0 ports, DisplayPort 1.4 support, and a microSD slot give you plenty of flexibility. You can dock it, connect it to a monitor, attach a keyboard and mouse, and it instantly transforms into a capable mini desktop PC. It's versatility done right. Now, about price. The Legion Go Gen 2 starts at $799 for the base model and goes up to $999 for the top-end 1TB version. For the hardware and polish you're getting, it's competitively priced. It's not cheap, but it's clearly aimed at gamers who want premium power and flexibility, not compromises. Let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. Pros: outstanding display, desktop-level performance, premium build, drift-free Hall effect joysticks, better cooling, and improved software. It's also more comfortable to use and charges insanely fast. Cons: slightly bulky for long handheld use, battery life could still be better, and pricing may put it out of reach for casual gamers. But honestly, those downsides are easy to overlook once you experience the raw performance and craftsmanship Lenovo packed into this device. So here's the final verdict: the Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Lenovo has taken everything that worked from the original, fixed what didn't, and built one of the most powerful handhelds on the market. It bridges the gap between portable console and full-fledged gaming PC better than anything else right now. If you want the freedom to game anywhere without sacrificing performance or visual fidelity, the Legion Go Gen 2 is hands down one of the best choices you can make in 2025. You've been watching Tech Vibe, where we break down the latest tech to help you make smarter choices. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more detailed tech insights, and share this video with your fellow gamers. Until next time, stay sharp, stay inspired, and keep the vibe alive.